Friends, good morning. So we are on our last day in September, so I want you to take a look at our pattern and think about what color is under the square, what's the picture, the model, and what's the date underneath this white square. So I'll give you a couple of seconds to look at our pattern on our calendar and see if you can figure it out. What's the color, what's the number, and what's the model or the picture? Are you ready? I bet you already know. So it is blue, and do you see how it's 10 frames? And the number is 30 because after 29 comes 30. So say it with me. Today is Wednesday, September 30th, 2020. How many dots would I draw on my calendar grid observation? How many dots would I draw? I would draw 30. So count with me by tens. 10, 20, 30. So I would draw 30 dots. This is a tricky one. How many tens are in the number 30? How many tens are in the number 30? Here's a hint. How many groups of 10 are in the number 30? There are 3, because if you take a look, one group of 10, which is 10, 20, 30. How many extra ones are in the number 30? There is 0. Yeah, because if you look at the number 2, it's 3 groups of 10 and 0 extra ones. Nice job. We're going to move over to our date. What am I going to change my date to? Yesterday was 9-30-20. What am I going to change it to? Take a look on our calendar. I'm going to change it to a 30. You're right. So 9-30-20. So September 30th, 2020. All right, and our days in school. We're going to add one. How many days in school have we been? Take a look. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer so you can see. Yesterday was a special day because it was 20, 2 groups of 10, 10, 20. So what is today? Yesterday was 20, and we did our math equation, which is 10 plus 10 equals 20. What would be today? It would be 21, you're right. And we remember we call it either a bundle or a decade. And we knew that there were 2 decades because we added one yesterday. So we're going to change our 20 to a 21. And what about our tiles here? What do we have to do? You can see we have 2 groups of 10 because yesterday was 20. What do I need to add? How many more yellow? We have 10, 20. How many more? Just one more, you're right. And we need to add a tally as well. So count with me. Remember, we learned that if you circle our tally marks, it means it's a group of 10. So count with me. 10, 20, 21. And I want to know how many popsicle sticks are here. You can see that they're in bundles. Here's a bundle, and here's a bundle. So how many popsicle sticks all together? Tell someone near you or in your mind how many popsicle sticks are here. You should be able to easily tell because they're in a bundle. There are 20 because 10, 20. Say that with me. 10, 20. And we need to add one more to get 21. So we have 21 popsicle sticks now. We're going to go back to our calendar, and I want to count by 2s. So I want you to count with me. I'm going to point, and you're going to count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Let's try to count by fives this time. 5, so count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Good work, my friends. The last thing we are going to do is look at our number line. We have some missing numbers here. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer, and I want you to take a look at our number line. So it starts, let's see. So it starts with 0, way down there, and it goes all the way to 19. We have some missing numbers. I want you to take a look and tell me, or say it out loud, what numbers are missing. See if you can tell, and I want to know why. I want you to think about why. What numbers are missing there? So look down at our number line. We call this a number line. What numbers are missing? We have 0 all the way to 9, and then we have 10 here. What numbers are missing? Think about it. So what do you think comes after 10? What number comes after 10? 11, you're right. Let's skip one. And let's move here. So 11, we're going to skip this one. What comes after? It is 13. Skip one, we went to 15. Let's skip the next one. What do you think is going to be under here? So we're at 15, we skipped one. It is 17, and then we skip one and go to 19. So that's also counting by 2s. We skip count in between. All right, my friends, I will see some of you tomorrow, which is Thursday. See you soon.